Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to mm, create, like, extract audio from your video in case you have a song that you want to play the mp3 version of it. So I'm going to show you how to extract the mp3 version of your mp4 videos. So if you want to know about that, you just stick around. I have to make a request. Please subscribe my channel, please. And so you have to know when I drop the next video on this same topic. So let's just get into it. Let's go to, okay, first of all, I have to show you where you have to have a Xender app. I put it on my fridge because I don't use it constantly. So you have to have a Xender app. So let us go to my files. You go to my files. Let it load. This is exactly where you will see the mp3. Do you see it? To mp3. This is the songs that I transformed. It's playing. So this is the songs. So this is where you see the songs in case you want to find them. So let us go to the video that I want to create. Let us go to the video that I want to create. So at least let me use my gallery. Okay, my gallery. These videos here are the videos that I downloaded from YouTube. But in case you still want to know how to download a video from YouTube, check my channel or the description of this video. You are still going to see it right there. So this is James Blunt that I want to Goodbye My Lover. I love this song, though. I just want to make it to mp3. Into the night. So now let's go to Xender. You can use this Xender for so many things, to transfer files and still make this happen. So let's go. This is it right here at the left bottom. Click it to mp3. Damn, why is this thing taking so long? Okay, I know. Okay, click the search box at the top here, then click it. And wait for the download. Okay, this is let me look for the video. This is the video. In case there's another video that you want and it's not here, all you have to do is click here. You see your gallery, just click it, then still go there, search any video you want. So this is it. So when you go there, damn. Okay, you have to check on the video that you want. Click on download. You still see the same video here, so you click it. Wait, let me off my data. Maybe that's the problem. Let's go again. Okay. This is it. Okay, now you have to go through here. Okay, this is exactly how you choose to do it. Okay, this is the James Blunt. When you click it, it's transformed in 2 seconds. No wasting much of your time. It's added as audio. Can you see it? All these videos here are the videos that are transformed. I converted them. So let me pause the video before. And let's go back to my files to show you that it's already came in there. Okay. Oh, let's go down to Xender and audio just now because it's already updated. And James Blunt, look at it here. So thanks for watching this video. I hope that this video will help you, because I know of so many people that this video might help. My colleagues, trying to know of this, but I just found out the update. So I just say I should let you know, and my friends, my subscribers, I'm just here to let you know about the stuff that you make your mobile very easy for you to operate. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share to your friends. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.